Starting this week, you will have one or more interactive listening guides assigned in every module. If you take the time to score 100% on every iLG, and you complete all the other assignments in this class, you will almost certainly get an A in this class. Here is how to complete the iLGs. Just like all of the work for this class, start by clicking on the Modules button to go to the Modules Index page. To find out what iLGs are due in the current module, you can look at the Module Overview page. For example, we can see that Module 2 requires you to complete iLG 01, Britain, the Young Person's Guide to the Orchestra. I've also put reminders about iLGs at the end of my written lectures in each module. To complete iLGs, we will need to go back to the Modules Index page. At the top of the Modules Index page is the Norton Inquisitive section, which has a link to all of the interactive listening guides for the semester. Click the link for the iLGs, then click the button to load the link in a new window. This is a list of all of the iLGs for the entire semester. This list also shows due dates for every iLG. Since you have access to all of these iLGs, you could choose to work ahead, but I wouldn't recommend working any more than a week ahead because it is most efficient to keep pace with the rest of the assignments in class. Click the title of the iLG to open it. Every iLG teaches you about a piece of music, then tests your newly acquired knowledge with a quiz. iLGs have 3 tabs in the top left corner: Focus, Interact, and Learn. Begin by watching all of the videos on the Focus tab.
Here's what to listen for in Britain's Young Person's Guide to the Orchestra.
Watch each video to learn about the piece. Make sure you're watching all of the videos. This iLG has 4 videos. After you've watched the videos on the Focus tab, you can go to the Interact tab to listen to the complete piece from start to finish. You can also review sections of the piece. Helpful annotations about what is going on in the music appear below the timeline. The most important part of every iLG is the Learn tab. This is the graded portion of the iLG. Click on the Learn tab, then click the link to launch the quiz. These inquisitive activities are exactly like the inquisitive activity that you should have already completed for Prelude 1, except that instead of testing your knowledge of a chapter in the textbook, they test your knowledge of a piece of music. Just like the Prelude inquisitives, you must answer a minimum number of questions to receive a grade, and you can keep answering questions to reach the target score and get 100% on the assignment. Most of the questions will have audio clips that will help you answer the question. You can wager more points if you feel like you know the answer. Your progress is saved after each question, so you can take a break at any time, then come back to the quiz later. Good luck and happy learning!